In the distant depths of the constellation Sagittarius, more than 10,000 light-years away from Earth, spins the binary star system 528, a cataclysmic variable consisting of a hot white dwarf and its companion, together producing bright and spectacular outbursts. It is around this legendary stellar pair that the planet Gargaea orbits, an ancient world with a possible history of life, holding within it the secrets of the cosmos and distant epochs. The planet Gargaea was discovered only recently, thanks to the latest methods of astronomical observation and the analysis of data from space telescopes. Scientists noticed anomalies in the orbital motions of the stars in the V28 system, which became the first evidence of a planet. This discovery marked a true breakthrough in the study of distant worlds and inspired further searches for life beyond our solar system. Gargaea is considered one of the oldest planets in the universe. Its age exceeds 12 billion years. This incredible age makes it a witness to nearly the entire history of the cosmos. From the formation of the first stars and galaxies, Gargaea preserved traces of those ancient eras, when conditions for life might have been very different, giving us a window into the past of the universe. Despite its immense distance, scientists were able to determine that Gargaea has a solid surface. This was made possible by analyzing oscillations in the V28 star system and studying changes in its light, which indicated the presence of a rocky planet. Spectroscopic data and modeling suggested that Gargaea is not a gas giant, but a world with a dense crust and atmosphere, capable of sustaining potential conditions for life, even in the harsh environment of a binary star system. The mass of Gargaea is about 5 times that of Earth, making it a large rocky world with strong gravity. Such mass allows the planet to retain a dense atmosphere and sustain geological activity, both crucial for supporting possible life forms. Despite its proximity to hot stars, Gargaea managed to preserve stable conditions thanks to its mass and unique composition. The atmosphere of Gargaea is a scorching and arid realm, where endless deserts stretch beneath the blazing light of 2 suns. The hot and rarefied air contains heavy gases that partially shield the planet from the powerful radiation of its stars. Thanks to this protective layer, the planet has retained its structure despite extreme conditions and its closeness to the stellar pair. Studies suggest that in the distant past, liquid water may have existed on Gargaea, a key element for the formation of complex chemical compounds. A denser atmosphere and less extreme conditions might once have allowed water to remain on the surface or in underground reservoirs. The planet may have had vast seas and oceans, creating a favorable environment for diverse chemical and biological processes. Given Gargaea's age, more than 12 billion years, such processes could have taken place long ago, leaving traces that scientists continue to search for and study. In the distant past, Gargaea may have been a true paradise, with a warm and dense atmosphere where the air was heavy and saturated. In such conditions, enormous and powerful creatures could have lived, their bodies adapted to high pressure and dense air, allowing them to move freely and thrive. These beings possessed extraordinary strength and size, resembling giants that harmoniously inhabited the planet's lush forests and meadows. Perhaps among them were even intelligent forms of life, with their own culture and ability to explore the world around them. Life on this ancient world could have developed on an entirely different scale, creating a unique ecosystem full of mysteries and wonders. But that is all in the past. Today, Gargaea is a dry and scorching world. Its atmosphere has lost its moisture, and endless deserts stretch under the blazing light of its twin suns. Sandstorms and violent tempests have long given way to calmness. Now the planet is ruled by searing heat and unceasing winds that carry only hot air and dust. Over time, Gargaea ceased to be the paradise it once was. One of the key reasons for its death was the gradual darkening and change in the radiation of its binary stars. Although their visible light grew weaker, the stars began emitting more energy in the ultraviolet and infrared ranges, which drastically affected the planet's atmosphere. Changes in atmospheric composition, such as an increase in greenhouse gases, intensified the heat-trapping effect, making Gargaea's surface ever hotter. In addition, stellar flares and magnetic storms heated the upper layers of the atmosphere and damaged its structure. Perhaps the planet even shifted closer to its stars, receiving more energy. All of this ultimately turned Gargaea into a dry, scorched world, deprived of its former habitability. The fate of Gargaea is not just a warning, but also a reflection of a possible inevitability for Earth. Our sun will eventually not only dim, but also alter the spectrum of its light, affecting our planet's climate. Such changes could make Earth hotter and drier, resembling Gargaea in its final epochs. This is a reminder that even our home in the universe is not eternal, and change is part of the cosmic cycle that will eventually affect us too. Studying planets like Gargaea helps not only in the search for life, but also in understanding the evolution of biological systems in extreme environments. It may well be that on such ancient worlds, unique forms of life arose, adapted to conditions unlike those on Earth. This broadens our understanding of what life in the universe might be and what possibilities for its existence we must consider in the future. Ultimately, the story of Gargaea is one of both hope and warning. It shows how diverse and complex the pathways of planets and life in the universe can be. By studying such worlds, we gain a deeper understanding of our own place in the cosmos and the responsibility to preserve our planet. Having survived for more than 12 billion years, Gargaea testifies that long-term preservation of complex processes is possible even under the harshest conditions, given the right factors. May the story of Gargaea inspire us to look to the stars with hope and faith in the future. This ancient world reminds us that even the harshest trials do not diminish the importance of striving for knowledge and discovery, the very forces that drive humanity's progress. We stand on the threshold of great discoveries, and every step in exploring the cosmos brings us closer to unraveling the great mystery of the universe. Remembering the past and believing in the future, we can create a world worthy of the stars that inspire us to move forward. Earth is our only home, and its future depends on us. If we fail to protect nature, preserve resources, and care for the climate, one day our planet could also turn into a lifeless desert. Every action, from small habits to great decisions, brings us either closer to prosperity or to loss. To protect Earth means to protect ourselves and the future of all humankind. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more about the mysteries of space, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It really helps us create even more exciting content. Thank you for being with us until next time, and may you always have clear stars on your path.